Hello students, good morning. Today we will learn a new poem, Crying. I will show you some pictures. What are you seeing in the picture? A, a baby is laughing. In the second picture, a baby is riding a bicycle. In the third picture, a baby is crying. So today we will learn our new poem, Crying. First of all, I will introduce some keywords. Okay? Keyword. Shocked means completely wet. Wept means shed tears and cried. Okay? Now I will recite the poem Crying and you have to listen it very carefully. Okay? Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Then you can get up and laugh. Then you can jump in the shower and splash, splash, splash. Then you can throw open your window and ha ha, ha ha. And if people say, hey, what's going on up there? Ha ha, ha ha. Sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last tear. I wept it. Ha ha, ha ha. Did you enjoy the poem? Now I will give some answer the question. According to the poet, should you cry a little or should you cry a lot? According to the poet, we should cry a lot. वो पोएट के मुजब हमें बहुत ज़्यादा रोना चाहिए. What can you do after crying a lot? हम बहुत सारा रोने के बाद क्या कर सकते हैं? We can go park with our friends. हम हमारे जो फ्रेंड्स होते हैं उनके साथ पार्क में जा सकते हैं. और पार्क में हम सब क्या करने जाते हैं? खेलने के लिए. Read the first two lines of the poem. What is the mood? Now you have to open your textbook and read the first two lines. Okay? Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Okay? In these first two lines, poet's mood is sad. In the last few lines, the mood of the poet has changed. What is it now? In the last few lines, now you have to read last few lines. Okay? Then you can throw open your window and ha ha, ha ha. If people say, hey, what's going on there? Ha ha, ha ha. Sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last tear. I wept it. Ha ha, ha ha. So, what was the mood of the poet? A poet was very happy. Okay? Now, there is a time for our wrong or right sentence. That one is our second activity. Okay? Are these sentences right or wrong? The poet says you must not cry much. क्या इस पोयम में पोएट ये कहना चाहते हैं कि हमको बहुत सारा नहीं रोना चाहिए? So this sentence is wrong because the poet says you crying a lot. Okay? The poet says that you should cry till your pillow is soaked. So this is a right sentence. The poet says that after crying you should open the window and laugh so that people will see that you are happy. So this is a right sentence. In the last stanza, the poet says that you can throw open your window and ha 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 ha, and if people say, hey, what's going on up there, ha 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 ha, this line says that the poet says you should open the window and show people that you are crying. So this is a right sentence. Okay, now you have to fill in the blanks. Crying blank is not used. What answer will come? Crying only a little bit is no use. Second one, you must cry until your pillow is soaked. Okay, your pillow is soaked, answer will come. After you cry, you can jump and blank. What answer will come? And after you cry, you can jump in the shower. After you cry, you can open the window and laugh loudly. In the beginning of the poem, the poet is, what was the mood of the poet? The poet was very sad. At the end of the poem, the poet is very happy. Did you understand? I hope that you have understood it very much. Now this is the time for your homework. You have to write down, where do you cry? This is your question. Okay, where do you cry? What are the things that makes you cry? Can you cry when you are happy? I am repeating second time. Where do you cry? What are the things that makes you cry? Can you cry when you are happy? Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.